So we're on our way from Cholla Bay on into Puerto Penasco, where the boat's at the boatyard. We stopped by Big Wave Dave's to try to find some parts, some tools to work on our wind vane, but no luck there. We're going in to work on the top of the mast, the shivs that are part of the turning blocks for the main halyard and everything are failing, and we need to replace those. So that's our focus today. And the idea is to try to get things in order so we can launch tomorrow, Saturday. So we're here at Cabrales shipyard. You know, as you can see, they manufacture large ships and they also take care of recreational craft. And this is Salvador Jr., part of the management team here. And I guess one of the first questions I had was, you know, what's the history of the boatyard?
Hi, welcome to Cabrales. My name is Salvador Cabrales. I'm third generation. My father continued this business, and this business was initiated by my grandfather back in 1946. And we basically go back as far as 70 years. We do work on steel boats. We do a lot of maintenance, and we're in a hurricane-free zone. This is outside of Hurricane Harbor. And behind me is a marine travel lift hoist. It's got a 150-ton capacity, and the slipway is 65 feet long by 30 feet wide, meaning that we can handle very large vessels, including catamarans, very much like Gato Loco. Gato Loco, I believe, is 23 feet beam, and we've handled boats up to 28 feet wide.
Pretty bad shape.
And the part we have is an inch too large. Not a problem. They have a machine shop. They quickly take the part, put it on a lathe, and create a part that meets the spec and fits perfectly.
We're off to the marina. We're going to put Gato Loco back in the water. I think it's been about 10 days. They have everything all ready for us to splash today, midday, with enough tide. And everything that we've seen so far, the boat looks just awesome. They've done a really good job. A lot of what we call TLC. They give us great attention.
Gato Loco back in the water, it's time to go to El Capitan and celebrate with our friends.
Okay.
Wait a minute, Frankie.
Wait.
Take two.
All right. And that's a wrap.
In the 60s? That was before there was all the cliffs and everything. They were using rail first, probably?
No, before the rails,